What if you could give your body robotic superpowers, get a professional film crew for your kid's soccer game, and then, in your garage, scan an object down to the width of a human hair? Today we are diving deep into 7 revolutionary tech gadgets that don't just deserve your attention, they deserve your investment. These are the products that feel like they've been pulled straight out of a science fiction novel, designed to give you better endurance, pro-level video, and even hyper-accurate 3D modeling. Trust me, you're going to want to see this. Let's get started. Let's start with a gadget that literally gives you a physical superpower. This is the Ascenty's modular exoskeleton, and it redefines what wearable tech means. Forget fitness trackers. This is a portable robotic assist system for your legs. The Power Boost. The core function of Ascenty's is to reduce your effort and enhance your strength. It can provide a massive plus 35% assist for steep uphill climbs, and when you're carrying a heavy backpack, it can offset the feeling of up to 216 pounds. This means multi-day hiking trips, mountain climbing, or even just carrying groceries become dramatically easier. The modular system. What makes this truly unique is the modular design. It's built around the proven MOLLE system on a customizable belt. You can choose between 2 main components. The hip module H module applies direct drive torque to the hip, giving you forward pull and backward push to improve propulsion efficiency. This is your module for explosive walking, running, and climbing. The knee module K module uses a high-strength Dynama cable drive to assist knee flexion and extension. This one is focused on endurance, reducing load on your quads and protecting your knee joints on long treks or under heavy loads. You swap them to match your mission. Intelligent modes. It runs on an AI that adapts to your motion in real time. But you also get control with 3 smart modes. Ease mode provides a smooth assist for daily movement. ACC mode is full traction, almost like robotic cruise control. And my favorite, train mode actually provides up to 44 pounds of dynamic resistance, turning simple walking into an intense workout with a reported 1.7 times calorie burn. It's your personal silent gym companion, operating under 35 decibels. Next up is the XBot Go Falcon, the camera that essentially replaces an entire film crew on the sidelines. If you or your kids play sports, this is a game changer for capturing high-quality footage. Hands-free Pro Filming. It's a dedicated sports camera powered by a 6-TOPS AI chipset. You simply set it up on the sideline, press a button, and it takes over, auto-tracking the game, following the players, and recording in native 4K resolution at 30 frames per second with its high-quality Sony image sensor. No more shaky phone videos or missing the crucial shot. Advanced AI tracking. The AI is super intelligent. It supports tracking for over 20 team and individual sports, from basketball and soccer to rugby and lacrosse. It can even use jersey number recognition and body detection to lock onto a specific player for recruiting or highlight reels, ensuring the spotlight stays exactly where it belongs. Beyond the video, the Falcon is not just a recording device, it's an analyst. It can detect key actions and, with one tap, auto-generate highlight reels, saving you hours of editing. Coaches will love that it provides post-game analysis like player movement and heat maps to help with strategy. Plus, it has free live streaming built in for broadcasting directly to YouTube or Facebook, and a PIP mode to capture both the wide angle and a focused close-up simultaneously. For the tinkerers, the hackers, and anyone who loves to experiment with technology, the Meow Kit is a powerful open-source device that's designed to unleash creativity without the usual headaches of development boards. The all-in-one dev tool, this pocket-sized device eliminates the need for a messy desk full of single-use PCBs. It's a compact unibody with a built-in display and a multi-app launcher that supports a ton of functions right out of the box. Hack Protocol Exploration. It's a security researcher's dream. It supports multiple wireless protocols for compliant research and network assessment, including Bad USB. It can emulate standard input devices like a keyboard to script custom keystroke sequences. BLE Beacon. It can spoof native pairing pop-ups on devices like iOS or Android. Infrared. It can capture, store, and one-tap clone mainstream home appliance remotes. Desktop and AI integration. It's also incredibly versatile for daily use. It can act as a PC monitor to show real-time CPU-GPU metrics, an air mouse using angular velocity to control the cursor, and even a tiny retro TV for local Wi-Fi streaming. On top of that, it integrates with large language models like ChatGPT and QN for multilingual chat, and even voice print recognition for personalized interactions. And the best part for developers? Its firmware and SDK are fully open source, and you can add new features by simply copying a folder onto it like a USB drive. No reflashing required. The Music Cam is the ultimate adventure recording companion. It combines a high-end action cam, open-ear audio, and AI in a single superlight headset. Full integration. Why carry a camera and headphones? This ultra-light 50-gram device does both. It records in crisp 2K HD and features industry-leading 6-axis stabilization to keep your footage cinematic and smooth, even on the roughest bike trail or under the crashing waves. Built for extremes, it has an incredible 20-meter waterproofing, IPX8 rating, meaning you can take it diving, surfing, or through a torrential downpour without a separate case. It uses bone conduction open-ear audio, so you can listen to music or talk on the phone while safely hearing your environment. Seamless workflow. Capturing is effortless, just a tap on the device. It has dual ENC microphones to isolate your voice and cut through wind noise, ensuring crystal clear audio sync perfectly with your video. With ultra-fast charging, it gets to 80% power in just 15 minutes, and its lens is plus or minus 30 degrees adjustable to ensure you always get the perfect POV angle, no matter what you're doing. This is truly about staying in the moment while capturing it beautifully. If the Music Cam is for action, the Angel Eye is for authentic, effortless perspective. At a mere 32 grams, it is the world's lightest 4K wearable FPV camera, smaller than a matchbox. Unrivaled comfort and quality. The whole point is to capture life without interruption. It records in stunning 4K video and takes high-detail 48 megapixels photos via a high-performance Sony CMOS sensor. The lens has zero distortion, meaning your footage looks exactly as your eyes saw it, preserving natural proportions, unlike many wide-angle action cams. Rock-solid stability. Despite its size, it packs both OIS, optical image stabilization, and 6-axis EIS, electronic image stabilization, plus horizon leveling, to ensure your hands-free video is always silky smooth. Key features for creators. It has 2 features I love. Pre-recording automatically saves the seconds before you press the button, so you never miss a spontaneous moment. And the magnetic pogo pin headband design allows you to connect it to a power bank for continuous recording while charging, turning it into a truly all-day camera. It also has gesture control and built-in live streaming to share your first-person view instantly. Let's move into the kitchen for a piece of tech that tackles one of the most frustrating household issues: food waste. The Vonvita food waste robot is an all-automatic, odor-free solution that creates real compost in just 8 hours. True composting fast. Most smart bins just compress scraps, but Vonvita actually achieves full decomposition. It handles up to 95% of your food waste, from vegetable scraps and eggshells to meat, dairy, and even compostable takeout containers. The science: the secret is the dual enzyme system, a decomposer agent and a fermentation agent. The decomposer breaks down the oils and sugars that are the main source of foul odors, while the fermentation agent accelerates microbial activity. This clean process is why it's 100% odorless and achieves full composting in an expedited 8-hour cycle. Efficiency. Before the main cycle, it has a fast 2-hour compresses waste mode that reduces volume by about 80%. It also features an AI scanner to detect unsuitable foreign objects like glass or metal, making the process truly foolproof and automatic. And for our final piece of gear, we return to the future of fabrication with the DeepTech 3D StarX 3D scanner. This device redefines handheld precision. Industrial-grade accuracy in hand. The StarX delivers precision up to math, BFPM 0.02 text mm, or PM20 mu text m, putting it squarely in the territory of costly industrial metrology tools. This level of detail is necessary for reverse engineering, quality inspection, and creating high-tolerance parts. Next-generation scanning power. It utilizes a custom-developed blue laser system with an advanced configuration. 22 beam-crossed laser lines, 7 fine scanning parallel lines, and a single laser line. This unique light structure ensures unparalleled clarity and data integrity, even on challenging metallic or reflective surfaces. Speed and portability. It achieves an incredible data acquisition speed of up to 1.8 text million points per second, making the scanning process faster than traditional models. Despite integrating over 100 precision components, the entire device weighs just 890 TXG and is engineered from aircraft-grade aluminum for durability and stability in diverse environments. The AI advantage. The scanner operates on the 3D Matrix software, which employs advanced AI algorithms to actively filter noise and optimize the point cloud data. This intelligent processing boosts efficiency by over math BF 30%, ensuring a smooth, high-quality transition from physical object to digital model. And that's our look at 7 extraordinary gadgets that are truly on the cutting edge of technology. We've seen everything from sub-millimeter accurate 3D scanning to robotic muscle power and automated clean home composting. I'm fascinated by the blend of industrial precision and consumer convenience in these devices. Which of these pieces of future tech are you adding to your cart first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown and want to see more game-changing tech, please give this video a like, share it with a fellow gadget lover, and definitely subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. End script.